Actually beautiful. Your internet is barking, by the way.
Oh,
You actually gorgeous. And I see what is
thank you.
going on, and I love you, bar right now. It's a white thing. You see, white plus white, it must be white thing. Oh, how you doing?
I'm not fully white.
No. Yeah, you're a brown skin, just a little bit, innit?
hmm
So how you doing? Nah, stop smiling though. You just stealing my heart. Can you stop smiling, please? Please stop smiling, stealing my heart. I can't even look at you now, you know. Listen, what's your name?
How old are you?
I'm 21. What about you?
I'm 19.
Ooh, yeah. Solid, solid, solid. Tell me, do you actually like me? Do you like my vibe?
Yes.
Listen, what's your name?
Melia.
Malia. But can I call you Queen? My Queen, specifically. Can I call you that?
You can call me what you want.
Eh, Thank you so much. You're actually gorgeous, you know. Like I can watch it like a movie all day, all night. Like you know what it is though. Even when I'm feeling hungry, I can watch you and feel like I'm full. You know, look at you. Like you are absolutely gorgeous. You know.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where do you live in Denmark, honey? Mamacita.
Copenhagen.
Mamacita.
I live in
Senorita.
Copenhagen.
Senorita. Look at me. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. What do you see right there? See, when I see your eyes, I just see it right there, our future. And now I see our kid, our house, our cars. What cars do I can tell the car you like. So I'll tell you the car you like.
Okay.
You like you like Lamborghini, don't you?
I have one.
No, you don't. No, you don't. I
I also
promise
have
you.
Corvettes.
D on at age 19, I'll fly out. Can I come to your
And
house?
my family owns them together.
Is it? Listen. Can I come to your house? Can I come to your yard? I'll come. Just let me.
I have, yes. Which one?
Nah. God, you can't hear me well. I found my future wife. She's right here in front of me, and I wish she'd get to me, and I will put her finger a ring.
Are you Christian?
What?
Are you Christian?
Like what?
Are you Christian?
No. I'm Muslim. So you don't like Muslim guys?
I never said that.
But
I respect
but
every
when
religion.
no. When I say I'm Muslim, you judge your faces like. I know I can tell I'm a fine nigga, but you just wishing that I was Christian, but I'm not.
I don't have a problem with Muslims
Would you?
at all.
But if
I'm just Christian myself. I didn't know if you
yeah,
like.
I can tell. But if you fall in love, would you be a Muslim? It's a choice though.
I don't know if I can because I've already like
I know.
been confirmed to God.
Yeah, but I will teach you everything you need. You got nothing. Can I see how tall are you, honey? If you don't mind asking.
Huh?
Can I see how tall are you? Can I see all of you?
I'm 5'2".
Just let me see it. Let me watch it like a movie, honey.
I can't stand up. I have sprained my ankle.
No, you lied to me now. Do you
I'm
actually?
not lying to you.
Let me see. Let me see your ankles. What
I
happened?
play handball.
Is it?